To set up your auto social posting, we are going to go to marketing. Then we're going to click on this social. There's two different elements. We need to go over here to settings and preferences. Just because you see green check marks does not mean anything is actually posting. I have to go over here to click edit. And you see it's showing it's connected, but it's not connected to my business page. So the easiest way, and this one just expired, I just renewed. If something is not working, click disconnect, go through that process to reconnect, and you'll see I've decided, where do I want it toggled on. And you would see the same thing for here. It would show your pages. You can select multiple pages if you want to. So you have to toggle them on, then save. And of course, this is going to be your articles, but you'll see just because everything looked okay on the other screen, I am not allowing social post. So I'm going to toggle this on. Facebook wouldn't matter because it's not connected, but I picked the days of the week, and you'll see here, select up to 4 days. And then you need 8 or more categories. So these are the categories it'll randomly choose for those days, but you have to make sure you're allowing content to post. Go ahead and save those settings. Same thing with your holidays. Make sure to toggle on. LinkedIn's the only one not there. Then pick what days. So you have religious, not religious, all of those. And these are all Canada days. They are different than US, and they love the letter U. So once you have those toggled on and chosen, go ahead and save settings. And we'll go ahead and X this out. Over here is where you can see up to 7 days and that are going to be posting. So I can click on them. I'm going to see the post, the article. I can edit it if I want to. You can see everything. I can swap article. If I don't like it, it will stay in the same realm. So I'm usually more about the graphic. So I can say, oh, I like this. I'm going to go ahead and save it. Now that's the one that's going to be posted. I can come over here, right here. Maybe I don't like those windows. This is going to be home improvement. I'm just going to swap articles. Again, I'm looking for that exterior photo, just for it matches. Okay, I do like this. So we're going to go ahead and select that one and hit save. So you can set up your reminder. Maybe every Monday morning, you just go through, check out the different articles you want. This one is going to be moving tips. So I can go through all the different articles. It will not allow you to even choose an article that somebody else in your office is already scheduled to be posted. So it won't be the same as everybody else. And then I'm going to go ahead and click save. I'm going to go ahead and come over here to Design Center. Come over here to Settings. And again, this is your listing auto post. Everything looks green, looks good to go. I'm going to go ahead and click on edit. You can see here, nothing, disconnect, reconnect if I need to. It's showing me this expired back in November. I can click connect and it'll allow me to connect again. Same thing, this one, Twitter or X doesn't have an expiration date. LinkedIn always has. Facebook, I think they just do it so it doesn't get blacklisted. So again, you just go through that connection. I'm not sure if I can do this. Let's see. Incognito, I don't know that it knows my stuff. I had clicked that. Let me go ahead and click save. Let me try that again because LinkedIn. So it did, but it gave me like a weird error. So I'm going to go ahead and allow posting to the page. Have to toggle it on and click save. So hopefully that'll help you when it comes to scheduling those auto posts. Again, everything is in marketing. You have your social and the design center. So hopefully that helps. Thanks.